Hello. We all know that there is a total lockdown all over India due to the outbreak of coronavirus. So, here are 5 preventive measures with explanation on how we can avoid coronavirus or COVID-19. This is our original creation from Shillong. This video concept is made by Dr. Pranangram and animated by KPM. Please watch this video till the end.
Number 1. Wash your hands very frequently.
Doctor, please explain me the reason.
Because regularly and thoroughly cleaning your hands with alcohol-based hand rub will kill the virus that may be on your hands. You may also use soap and water.
Okay, doctor.
Number 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth.
Why, doctor?
Because hands touch many surfaces, so it may pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus through your eyes, nose or mouth.
Okay, doctor. I will stop touching my eyes, nose and mouth.
Number 3. Keep a safe distance, at least 1 meter in public places. Because inhaling breath from an affected person will also transfer the virus into you.
Yes, doctor. From now on, I will keep a distance of 1 meter in any public places.
Number 4. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Because when someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets from their mouth or nose, which may contain viruses. Also, by using a mask, you are also protecting the people around you from spreading viruses.
Yes, doctor.
Number 5. Last, but the most effective way to quarantine coronavirus is to stay home.
Stay home?
Yes, just stay at home. Because staying at home and self-isolated from others will definitely prevent you from affecting this deadly coronavirus.
Thank you so much, doctor. Now I know why the total lockdown was so essential for our safety.
Good.
I will also acknowledge all my friends so that they too stay safe from coronavirus.
That's like a responsible youth of Malaya.
Thanks for watching till here. If you like this animation, click like and share this video to also aware others from coronavirus. Life is precious. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.